Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Mastering your budget. Mastering your budget with a variable income. Crafting a budget with an unpredictable income can seem daunting, but it's a challenge you're fully capable of overcoming. A substantial number of individuals navigate this terrain successfully, dealing with hourly, commission-based, or inconsistent side job incomes. The key to financial stability, even with income that ebbs and flows, is to create a robust monthly budget. It may require some adjustment, but with these 6 steps, you'll find it's not just doable. It's a pathway to financial empowerment. Step 1. Begin with a conservative income estimate. With a fluctuating income, it's wise to play it safe. Set your budget based on the minimum you might earn. Being conservative in your estimates sets you up for a pleasant surprise, rather than disappointment. Look back at your lowest earnings in recent months. That's your starting point. If you're new to variable income, don't fret. Make a sensible estimate for your leanest month and let that be your budget's foundation. Starting out with pen and paper can be incredibly helpful. Our variable income budget planning sheet can assist you in visualizing your finances. But for an even greater chance at success, consider downloading the Mint app. It simplifies the budgeting process and could be your ally in achieving and surpassing your financial goals. Step 2. Identify your expenses. After you've sketched out your incoming funds, it's time for a positive spin on managing your outgoings. Yes, it's the perfect moment to detail your expenses with enthusiasm. If you haven't yet, put savings at the top of your list. paving the way to a secure emergency fund. Then, with a spirit of practicality, take care of the essentials: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. These are your 4 walls that protect you from the financial elements. Move on to other important monthly commitments such as insurance, debts, and childcare, treating each expense as a step towards your financial fortitude. Allow yourself the flexibility of a miscellaneous category for life's little extras, but approach it with the creativity of a budget-savvy maestro. Think streaming subscriptions, dining experiences, recreational leagues, and personal treats. Keep in mind, your adaptable income means your approach to discretionary spending should be just as flexible. If it's a tighter month, embrace the chance to discover joy in simpler pleasures, like a movie night in with delicious homemade pizza. It's about celebrating the small wins and staying positive as you navigate your financial journey. Remember, meeting your essential needs comes before indulging in your wants. That's non-negotiable. But rest assured, you're more than capable of handling this. Let's highlight a key point. Initially, you might need to forego some luxuries or estimate your budget conservatively. But if you find yourself with a surplus, that's what step 5 is for. However, stay the course. There's more to learn before you get there. And a quick shout out to a standout feature in Mint, the Paycheck Planning Tool. It's specifically designed for fluctuating incomes, assisting you in aligning your expenses with their due dates and alerting you to potential overspending as the month progresses. Step 3. Balance your budget to zero with confidence. Your new financial mantra: every dollar has a destination. That's the heart of zero-based budgeting, and it's your ticket to a balanced budget. Here's a quick tip. Zero-based doesn't mean emptying your account. It means smart financial planning. Always keep a modest cushion of about $100 to $300 to ensure peace of mind. Why not kick-start your journey with the Mint app? In zero-based budgeting, you're the boss. You get to direct every dollar, whether it's for charity, savings, debt, or dreams. This method turns your money into a mission, preventing it from wandering off on unnecessary splurges. Remember, spending is part of life's rhythm, but make it a dance with purpose. Aimless expenditures are like missteps that can lead you away from your financial goals. Now, if you crunch the numbers and find yourself with a little extra, celebrate that win with a high five to yourself. Then, put that money to work towards your financial aspirations. If you're in the red, take it in stride, especially with a variable income. Adjust by trimming the non-essentials until your income and expenses harmonize at zero. Step 4. Keep a watchful eye on your expenses all month. Let's let you in on a budgeting secret weapon: diligent expense tracking. It's simple, yet powerful. Record every purchase against its budget category to keep a real-time tab on your spendable balance. This is your shield against the temptation of overspending. With a fluctuating income, tracking what you earn is just as important. It gives you a clear picture of whether you're meeting your targets. And if you end up with more than you anticipated, that's a moment of joy and savvy budgeting for the win. We'll dive into managing those extra funds soon, but first, know this: tracking your spending isn't just about numbers, it's about self-accountability. So, cheer yourself on with every entry. It's not just bookkeeping. It's building the financial future you deserve. Step 5. Embrace flexibility on payday. Embrace the ebb and flow of your irregular income with a flexible budgeting strategy that adjusts on payday. This agility is key to managing your finances successfully. When payday reveals a higher income than you anticipated, take a moment for a self-congratulatory high five. Then, add this extra income to your budget with a sense of achievement. Say your projected income was $4,500, but delightfully, you earned $5,000. Revisit your budget to reflect this additional $500 as a positive variance. Your goal is still a zero-based budget, but now with a bonus. This extra cash is an opportunity to strengthen your financial foundation. Think strategically about this windfall. It could accelerate your savings, reduce debt, or even allow for a modest splurge on something you previously decided to skip. Step 6. Draft a new budget for each new month. Think of budgeting not as a one-off task but as a monthly ritual that puts you in control of your financial destiny. Your budget is a living document, much like a story that evolves with each chapter. While the core narrative remains, each month brings its own nuances. Transfer the essence of this month's budget to the next, adjusting for any special upcoming expenditures, such as personal celebrations or routine maintenance. Anticipate and prepare your budget before the month starts, positioning yourself in the driver's seat of your financial journey, not in the rear view. You're fully equipped to budget with an irregular income. Remember, true victories in finance, as in life, are the result of persistence and hard work. Budgeting may become intuitive after about 3 months, but your commitment during this learning curve is crucial. Keep pushing forward. Your financial prowess is within reach.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated, faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.